So the babies are 300.
The baby? What? No.
The babies are 300?
No, it comes with the mom. It comes with the mom and the new baby.
I want to ask you a personal question.
Oh, 2 babies go with the mom for 3?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at these guys. So cute.
Run away.
I didn't. Good morning, everybody. Jeff, Cedar Acres Homestead. We got the chickens loaded up. We're on our way to the Michigan Game Bird Association swap in Clare, Michigan this morning. I did not film loading these chickens up because we did it in the dark. Hey guys, we got here. I just now started filming because we got excessively busy. We sold a bunch of chickens. And I'm gonna walk around, I guess try to film. We'll go from there.
have moon spots on them.
These are $10.
Those are $10.
100.
And then the babies are
They have moon spots.
300.
Oh yeah, they do.
She's
That's a
a
buck,
pygmy.
and that's a doe.
And
Those two are Nigerian.
and the baby
And
chicks
then
come with
pigs
this
are
so they don't
different.
poop on you, and they have chains. Have chains.
Oh my gosh.
Ah.
So the babies are 300.
Oh, that's
The
great.
baby.
The
No,
babies are 300.
no.
I usually
It
don't
comes
do the
with
mini
the
goats.
mom.
I always have the big Nubians.
It comes
but-
with the mom and the
No,
new
tell me
baby.
something. I want to ask you a personal question.
Oh, two
What
babies go with the mom for
peacock?
3.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you like
And then
it
the
or
other
do
one
you
goes-
hate it?
These
100
babies are
apiece.
ten. I've got chains.
I miss
I
having
got
just-
Is that a male or female? The white
Yeah,
one.
it's
All of them are
Females.
crazy,
Okay.
If
'cause
you
I
buy
had
two
to
baby
upgrade
chicks,
my
I got
vehicle 'cause
chains
I got
for
a new
you.
job.
Hand me a
all the
I'm
new
trying to get
vehicles
rid of
are
chicks,
the
too.
smart
And then
fob,
one
and yeah, I don't
of
like it.
the
'Cause
babies
you have
are
to
a buck.
fix the
And then I
battery, so I
think we
didn't
have
even
one
have the
dog.
car for like a month.
One
and I
buck
had to
and
figure out how
doe.
to-
Gotta get them to open up. Look at these guys. So cute.
Far away.
Hey guys, back. We are back home. We did, see if that's wet. We did pretty good over there, selling chickens. What you doing? Sep one rabbit? Did you sell one rabbit? One rabbit we sold. Rabbits are slowed down, so. But anyhow, we did get something for our anniversary. Just what we needed. Hold on and we'll show you. We got a couple girl goats for our anniversary. That is Oreo. And that is Snowflake. And we're going to go get some of the other babies. We are set up. Weather's permitting. We are running. We're just going to call it goat snuggles today. The rabbits are put away. They're wet and we don't have another canopy. I don't know if I told you guys. I left these canopies up. The black one's fine. The old Michigan canopy took a licking in the wind the other day. Ended up cutting the Capalta tree down that was on the back side of the garden because this big old branch of that, big old part of it, not really a branch, broke out. So we had talked about cutting that. It was a beautiful tree, but it should have never been planted right there in front of the chicken coop. But anyhow, that's what we had happen today. And they are both 1 year old and they both had babies.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, they're both mamas, so.
They said that Oreo, this one, is a pygmy.
And they
And
said,
they said that that one's a Nigerian dwarf. But I mean, they're pretty close in size, but they're small.
yeah,
Yeah, you're small
yeah.
and cute.
And we like the colors on Oreo.
We
She's on-
actually just were getting that one.
Yeah,
They
we were
won.
just getting that one, and we swung a.
No, she swung a deal.
She swung a deal. She's in her 70s, named Sue, and she's a real nice lady. That's what she's trying to downside her herd, and she wanted the right people to take her babies. And we want to do this goat snuggling thing, so we got thinking about it. We added 5 females this year, so we'll have lots more babies in the spring. We'll be able to do the goat snuggling like we talked about it. Once we do the goat snuggling and later in the season, we'll be able to sell the babies to good homes and not carry that many goats through the winter. But ducks are coming to say hi to everybody. Well, guys, we're going to go bring some babies up here, and then maybe I'll film a little bit more, but we got Ariel over there sleeping behind there. Mallory over there researching. She just gives some wormer to some goats. And they're all just doing what goats do. Having a good time. All right, guys. Don't forget to like. Let's zoom in on Mallory. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on the next one. Love y'all.